make a book that has secrets within. I have to tell you which one of these books is actually the secret book. So, let's start off here. This, that's not it. This, not it. This is a paperback, and mine wasn't a paperback. Not that one. This is obviously not it. So that leaves this one that I just put a sleeve on. Bye-bye. So, this one, you can hear stuff already falling out. Let's all move these all over. Don't need those anymore, don't need those anymore. Okay, so, inside here, we have a cutout, and we have a little bit of money. Okay, so, you can see looks like to start with. And you open up these first pages, are normal. These other ones are glued together with Mod Podge. Just painted the outside, painted the inside. Each page is not glued to, like, it wasn't like I opened a page and I was like, okay, glue. Like, that would have taken a lot of glue. No, I just did just around the edges and just on the inside. And I glued the outside first, and then I started cutting out. It normally comes out like 3 or 4 pages at a time, and you cut again and again. I just drew the first like square on, cut it, and then just kept cutting. I didn't like draw it on each time. It didn't take too long, not as long as some people said it would take. Some people like it was going to take 7 hours. Mine, I'm not sure how long it took, but it wasn't over like 2 hours. Maybe 3 hours. No, probably just 2 hours. Not super long. So, overall, really cool. Neat place to hide your money. Stick all that back in there. Okay, I think that just about wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.